That's the craziest cough I've ever heard.
Me?
Yep. It's funny.
55 years of smoking will give you a cough too, man.
I bet. That's not a joke, huh?
That and more late. I had a friend of mine in California. He used to listen to me cough. He thought I was laughing at him.
That's what it sounds like. It's not safe.
How many Brazilian dollars to American dollar?
I'd say it's probably like 147 or so. Not that good right now.
147?
No, 147.
One for
one-
$47?
No, $1 equals $1.47 in Brazilian
Brazil?
currency.
Oh.
Somewhere around there. I'm not too sure that's it, but
That's
can't be
pretty
that
good.
much.
That's
Can't be
good.
that much now. It's been better. It's been like $3 before. It's actually not that good right now.
I'm going to save myself a little bit of a hit, but
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. You should, because that little bit will do you nice later on.
yeah, that'll feel even better because it'll be strong.
Oh yeah.
Damn, I killed it down. lit up a cigarette. So what about it? But I'm telling you, I don't even have to think about it.
Now, when you cook, do you cook Spanish food or
My wife does the cooking.
your wife does the cooking?
Yeah, she's Dominican. She makes Spanish food.
Hispanic food, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. She's Spanish?
He's Dominican.
She's the one with the black hair that you're always talking to outside?
No.
No.
That girl is Puerto Rican.
Oh,
That's Marty.
no, you know who I mean, right?
Yeah, I know he's short.
With the big boobs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Older.
Yeah, well, that's my wife's age, too.
Nice.
In fact, my wife's a year older than her.